Hello dear students, hope you all have enjoyed your vacation. Now we are back with full energy. So let's start with the topic whatever we are going to study, but before that let's have a quick recap what all we did in the month of April. Let's see what we have done in the month of April. The topic was numbers. In numbers what we all have covered? Let's see. See, in that we have studied both the number system, that is Indian number system and international number system. In India's number system, you know how to segregate according to the periods, and in international number system also. Then we have studied expanded form, then we have studied ascending and descending order, then you have studied rounding of numbers, that is nearest 10 and nearest 100. Then lastly what we have done? Roman numerals. Hope you all have seen both the videos of Roman numerals and whatever the topic which we have covered. So you might have understood what we have done in the chapter numbers. Now we are moving to our new topic, that is addition. Let's see what do you mean by addition. What is addition? Addition is adding any numbers. See, with this addition we are also going to do what? Subtraction also, because this chapter connects two topics, that is addition as well as subtraction. So see, now what are we going to do in addition and subtraction? Let's start first with addition. So this is going to be our first topic. So as we have covered the numbers, that is till 5-digit numbers, and we are having 6-digit numbers also. See, it's easy, you have done this in class 3 also, how to add the numbers and how to subtract the numbers. See, adding numbers, okay, how we will add the numbers? Even if it's large numbers, it's very easy. Is it similar to as we are doing for 2 digits, 3 digits or 4 digits? So let's see how I can. So let me explain first simply with a 4-digit number. This is an example. What am I going to do? See, first one. Let me write the place value system, that is ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. This I am taking, children, about 4-digit number. So let's see how. 5, 6, 7, 3. Then we have 4, 9, 1, 2. Okay. This is the sign for addition, as you all know this. Okay. Let's see how to add these numbers. How? Okay. I think you all know how to add the numbers. Yes, you all know. Okay, so we'll be starting it from ones place, that is from here. Please remember, we have to always start from ones place. Many of them do this, a common mistake, that they start adding or subtracting from this side. No, children, that is totally wrong. We have to start from ones place. Always remember, we have to start from ones place. Okay, let me start. 5 plus 4 is 9. 5 plus 4, 9. Then 6 plus 9. Let me add what is 9 plus 6, children, or you can say 6 plus 9. What is the number? Okay, start counting. 9. Then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes, we will have 15. Okay, 15 is there. It means 5 will come here, and where the 1 will go? It will go it as a carry over. Remember, children, this is very, very important to put the carry over. This you need to write. It's very important. Otherwise, see, if we are not writing and keeping in mind, sometimes we may forget to add. But you have to remember that when we are writing it here, we'll definitely remember what am I going to do it. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay. Now let me see, 3 plus 2, there is no carryover, so it will go with 5. So that is, we have got the answer 5,959. 5,959. Hope you all have understood, your children? Yes. Now, see, this was the 4-digit number which I have added you. Now in the, definitely in your exercise, we will be having your 5-digit number as well as your 6-digit numbers also. Same with addition and subtraction. Yes. Now let me focus on 5-digit number. Let's see how to add that 5-digit number. I am taking an example, children. 5, 2, 3, 9, 8. Then we'll have 1. Let me take it 2 here. Then let me take it 6 here. Then 9 here. Then 1 here. Okay. Now this is also addition. Okay. So now here the same thing is there as place value. Okay. So this is ones, tens, 100, 1000 and this will be your 10,000. Okay. Now let me add on this. So as I have explained you, what I have explained you children? Yes, we have to start from ones place. From where we have to start? Ones place. Yes. 8 plus 1 that is 9. Then we have 9 plus 2 that is 11, 1. But where the 1 is going to be? It will be your carry over. Yes. Now see what are you going to do? You are going to add on 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. Yes. 10. Then again a carry over 1. Now again you will add, what you will do? That is 9. 9 plus 2 that is 9, 10, 11. As you are keeping this 9 in your mind and you are adding how much? 2. So 9 plus 2 is 11 and plus 1 this. Don't forget to add this carry over. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. Then again a carry over. See here you are having all here again and again the carryovers. So 1 plus 5 is 6. Then 6 plus 1 is 7. So can you see the answer here? Your answer is 72,019. As children you have already done the numbers, how to write the number name. So this will help you to again recall that particular topic, that is how am I going to do? How to read it? 72,019. Okay, hope you all have understood this. Addition is clear that how we are going to add, either it's a 5-digit number or a 6-digit. You have to be very careful about adding, that is the carryovers. The carryover is very, very important. Don't forget to put the carryovers. If you forget to put the carryovers, children, maybe that the chances there you won't be recalling that the carryover was there and it will be totally a wrong answer. So you have to be very careful with that. Okay, so this was with a 5-digit number. Similarly, we can have with 6-digit, we can have with 7 digits, like that it will be going on. Okay. See, this is whole what are we going to study in this chapter, that is about addition. So please remember to write the carryovers, write it. Please always keep in mind your large number and add on the smaller number. That is, if 8 is there, so I will take 8 in my mind. Okay, 8. Then how much I have to add? 1. So that is 8 plus 1 is 9. So similarly 9 plus 2, 11 I got. That is how 9 I have kept in my mind. 9 plus 2, that is 10, 11 and 11 and 1 is again a carryover. So let me recheck, because see, always is very important to recheck your answers. Children, what mistake we are doing again and again, that we usually, once we have done the addition, what we do, we think that is right, now we don't need to do it again. But please keep it in mind that you should always recheck your answer. That is very, very important. See, if you will not recheck, what is going to, see, sometimes, okay, I know the addition, I have done it correctly, but once you will recheck, you are 100% sure that my answer is correct. So like 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. So I have got a 0 here, 10 means 1 will be your carryover. Again 9 is a bigger number, so it means that I am going to keep it in your mind. 9 plus 2, that is 11, 11 plus 1 is 12. So see what I have done. 12 means 2 I am going to write in the answer and 1 will be your carry over. So again 5 I am going to keep in my mind. 5 plus 1, that is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So this is my final answer. This was whole about addition. Similarly, we can have a 6-digit number and that way, and even see, this was 2 steps. Sometimes I will be having 3 steps also. Let's see. 3, 2, 7, 1, 4. Then I have a number 5, 1, 3, 6, 1. Then again I have 2, 3, 1, 5, 8. So now see, little difficulty you may have, because here it was, see, 1 and 2 steps. Now, but how many times I have to add? See, here I have a large numbers. No problem. Let's see how easy it becomes. See, again I know this is my ones place, this is my tens place, this is my hundreds, this is my thousand, this is my 10,000. Yes. So from where we have to start? We have to start from ones. That is, starting from ones, where we have to move? We have to move to our left. We have to move to our left. Never move from this side to that side, not from left to right. It has to be always from right to left. Please remember, it's very important. We are moving from right to left. That is ones place, 2 to the larger. That is very important to remember, children. Now see, 4 plus 5 is 9. Yes. 9 plus 2 is, 9 and 9 plus 2 is 11. Okay, 1 here. Where the 1 will go? Yes, carry over. Now see, now I have 3 ones here. 1, 2, 3. 3, mind. 3 plus 3, 6. Yes, very good. 6. Now, what we have here? 7. So 7 I am going to keep in my mind. 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. 3 I have added. 10 plus 1 is 11. Yes, it's 11. 1. So again, it's going to be a carryover? Yes, it's going to be a carryover. Now, see, I have got the carryover. Now, I'll see which is my larger number here. Is that easy for me or add? So, let me add these two numbers first. Okay, what is 6? 6 I am going to keep in my mind and 2 I am going to take. 6, 7, 8. 6 plus 2 is 8. So, my larger number is 6 and my smaller number is 2. So, 6 I am going to keep in my mind. Yes, 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Then what we have? 5 left out. Or what is the another way of doing it? Carry over, you can take it at the last also. Yes, let me see. Because see children, any number, any way you add 2 plus 2 plus 3. Either I go plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 or I should say 3 plus 2 plus 2. Both everywhere the answer is going to be same only. Okay, so let me see. I can do like this also. 6 plus 2 I have got 8. Now 8 in my mind, then 5. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So what is 8 plus 5? Yes, 8 was in my mind. Then I have to add on 5. So I can do my counting. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay? Yes, I have got 13 plus 1. Carry over, don't forget. Carry over is very important. So 13 plus 1. That is going to be? Yes, that is going to be 14. Yes. See, this way I have added, I got 14. Let me check it out in another way. Yes, let me check. 6 plus 5. What is 6 plus 5? 6. Yes. Plus 5 means 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. Again the same answer. So, I have just changed the places, but the answer is going to be same. So, 14. 4 here. Carry over 1 here. Now, what am I having is 1 here, 3 here, 1 here, 8 here. Or I will go this way or I can come down anyway, whichever is going to be easy for you. So, always take the bigger number, as I told you, large number in your mind. So, 8 is the larger number. Any way I can add? Yes. So, 8 plus 1. What is 8 plus 1? Yes, 9. 9 plus 3 is 10, 11, 12. Yes, very good. 12 plus 1 is 13. Yes. Now I have got what the value? 13. Let me check it other way. 3 plus 1? Yes. 4. What is 3 plus 1? 4. Then 4 plus 8. So I will keep 8 in my mind and I will add on the 4. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and plus 1, that is 13. See, again the same answer. Even if you are changing the places, that is the answer is going to be same only. So, I am going to put here 13. See, I have got a very large number. See, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs. I have studied the place value, isn't it? So, this is going to be 1 lakh. Then it is 34,000, then 161. This is my final answer. That is 1,34,161. Yes, very good. So now you all have seen that either if I want to add these numbers or in step 3, that is also the same. Only you need to remember that whenever you are adding, if it's a carryover is coming, carryover you have to specify children like this, encircle that carryover. Many of the students are not doing that. then what is happening, they may forget and they will not add, and then they are not going to get a correct answer. So please remember that this is very, very important. So children, what are you going to do is, when you are writing these type of sums in your mathematics notebook, that is your arithmetic notebook, remember, see, this is one line. Proper children, like in your notebooks, the lines are like this. So please write the full numbers, like if I am writing this 16315, please remember you have to cover this, okay, the full digits, because many of them write very small, then you will only find it very difficult to write it down. So please write it very properly. Then see another one, 85132. Don't write like mixing these numbers here and there. Please use the one full block for one full, this one like this only. And the same here, that as I have one more number, 32714. Okay, now it's clear. And remember to keep a little distance between each digits. Otherwise, see, if the place value is not correct, you won't be able to add it. See, you need to have a correct place value to add the digits. See, the whole thing goes wrong if the digit is not properly arranged. So very important point in addition is, what is the main important point? Yes, to keep the correct place value. Please remember children, to keep the correct place value. So the digits has to be exactly at their proper place. Don't mix it up. You need to write it very properly. As I have written, can you see? Exactly the digits are coming under the same place value. Even if you will write it here now, then you are going to do it wrong only. So please make it very careful. That is very important to write it down. So now this is over. Okay, so you are clear about your arithmetic notebook. And one very important thing, as you have covered this in your lines like this one and 3 steps. But please remember to leave one line, then only you should start. Why? To put the carryovers. If you are not leaving the gaps, then where are you going to put the carryovers? See, we need a gap to put the carryover. So always remember, don't mix it up all the numbers and you are writing if it's very small. See, if I will also write like this, how is it visible? Not visible now? Yes. So please make it very clear. This one should be very. So please, for that you need to leave this full one row. That is, one line has to be left out. That is very important. Okay. So I think you all are clear. Hope you all are clear with this, with the addition. Okay, so I can move further. So now our next topic is our subtraction. As we are having both the topic in this, so I am first covering with examples, then we will move on with the exercise. So let's start on with subtraction. Yes. Now our topic is subtraction. And children, very important thing, please don't forget to write the date and all. As I have already written your date. It is very important in your notebook, and after that underlining. Once I will start the exercise, I will explain you all these things. Let us first clear our topics. That is, first was addition, now our next coming up with subtraction. Yes, now see subtraction. The numbers 8, 5, 6, 3, 2, 1, 2, 4. Yes. Now let me see how to subtract. So children, this is a very simple number which I have written, and you need a simple subtraction only. That is 3 minus 2. Like I know, okay, I am having 3 things and I have given 2 things. How much is left? 1 is left. Yes. Now 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1. So only 1 is given. So how much is left? 5. Yes. 5 minus 2, yes, 3. 8 minus 4, 4. Yes, very good. So we have got quickly the number, that is 4351. So we have got this number. So now are you clear? So children, like simple subtraction, it is easy for you, as you have done in 2nd standard with 3-digit numbers, and when you reached in 3rd standard you have done with 4-digit numbers also. But here we are having little large numbers, that I am going to tell you how to write down the numbers. So now see, let me have quickly the numbers 9, 0, 3, 5, 8. Just this is an example, dear children. So we will write it down 1, 5, 8, 3. Here I can go with 6. Let it be 6. and let it be 3. And now please put the subtraction sign. As I am taking the example, so you need to write down the place values. It will be more easy for you to clear that from where we are starting, where we are ending. Yes. 8 minus 3. So 8 I am having and 3 I am taking it out. So 8 minus 3 will be 5. Yes, children. But okay, as I explained you earlier also, 6 what? I am subtracting 6 from 5. This I have given an example also. Is it possible to subtract the number, that is the digit 6 with 5? Or I can say a number I am taking 6 and is it possible to subtract from 5? No, because I am subtracting it with a smaller number. If I have only 5 things, how can I give 6? Is it possible? No, it is not possible. So see, 5. So let me write it how I'll see. Once again let me explain. This is 5 and this is 6. So what am I going to do is I am going to borrow. So see, if somebody is telling me, so 6, okay, so how I am going to do? So I need to borrow, but this is how much? This is 100, this is tens and this is ones. So see, when 5 is there, we are not borrowing 1, that is not 1, that is children 10, means 10 is given, that is 15, 10 plus 5 becomes 15. So it is, now it is 15. So 1 has given to that, this has become 15. Now 15 minus 6. Now see, 15 minus 6. So see, like if you are finding it little difficult, you can use your fingers and all. So do the subtraction. So say 15 minus 6. Anybody can answer this? Yes. Like 15 minus 6 goes with 9. How much it is? 9. Now see, if I have given to this member, now it means I am left out with 1 less. Yes. So see how much is less. Now it has given to this. Now this has become 2. But can I subtract 8 from 2? Not possible. Not at all. So now this will be going to be 12. As I told you, we are not adding 1. It is 10. So 10 plus 2 will become 12. So now this has become 12. So 12 minus 8. What is 12 minus 8? Yes. It will be 4. It will be 4. Now, this is 0 children, but how I have given 1? That was a very important thing. See, 0 will not give this, but the one main thing is this member will take from this member, means this has become now 1 less 8 and this was 0. So before that I need to borrow it and I am taking it 10. Then this 10 has given to this, that's why it has become now 12. So but this 10 has given to this member, so again it is going to be 9. See how it is changing on. See, first I have come here, I have given to this, so it has become 15. So now this was 5, so I have crossed. Please remember, whenever we are doing the subtraction children, see this cross you can make and write down, encircle that and make it the number here. That is very important. If you will not write again as addition, whole answer is going to be wrong. So 15 minus 6, it is 9. Now as I explained you, this has now 3. So I have given, so this 3 has become now 2. But see, this is 0. 0 is not going to give the number. First, it will borrow from this. So this 9 has become now 8 and this has given to this member. So this member 0 has become now 10 and this 10 has given to this. So then it has become 12 and then this has become 9. Always remember, giving, it is here this portion is becoming 1 less. So now 9 minus 5, yes 4. So now this has 8, 8 minus 1, 7. So here, now can you see the number? Yes. So now you know the place value. So it's easy for you to write down. Yes, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So my number is 74,495. So dear students, see, this was a subtraction with borrowing and that too we are having how many? We are having a 5-digit number. This was not being done in class 3. So we are studying this in class 4. So it will be little, see, with more and more practice it will be very clear for you. But for this, a regular thing you have to do is you need to practice. So you can make your own numbers. With that own numbers you are going to do the exercise questions are there, but you can frame your own digits using that. You can frame a number and quickly do the subtraction and addition. It will be definitely easy for you. See, some 74,495 over. So this, and now one more topic is there in this, checking the answer whether my answer is correct or not. What is the method to check the answer? Let's quickly see how to check the answer. 74,495. Children, this is my answer. This is my answer. So what is my answer? So if my answer has come, how am I going to check it? Whether my answer is correct or not, whether it is correct or not, that is very important. Okay, how can I check? Let me see how can, see, whenever you need to have, that is, that three things are there in subtraction, that is very important, you need to remember it. See, this is always called as difference. What is this? Difference. What is this? Difference. And this is your minuend. What is this? Minuend. The larger number is your minuend and the smaller is your subtrahend. The larger is your minuend and the smaller is your subtrahend, and the answer is difference. And one thing we didn't do in addition, that is addition is always the answer is called as sum. What is the answer of addition called? Sum. What is the answer of addition called? Sum. Please remember, the answer of addition is sum, and answer of subtraction is difference. What is this? Difference. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C-E, difference. And this is your minuend and this is your subtrahend. And now how to get it, write it down, that how to check it out. See, you will add the difference with your subtrahend, and if you are getting that as minuend, it means your answer is correct. That will verify the answer. It means to verify or check the answer. Let me see, what is this? This is my difference. So let me write it down here, it will be more clear for you. The difference is 74495. Is it clear? 74495, yes. Answer is okay, but this is my difference. And what is my subtrahend? This is your subtrahend. What is this? Subtrahend. Your smallest one is subtrahend. So 1, 5, 8, 6, 3. Yes. 5 plus 3 is 8. 9 plus 6 is 9 plus 6, yes, 15. Yes, 8 plus 1 or 8 plus 4, 9, 10, 11, 12 plus 1 is 13. Yes, carry over 1. 5 plus 4 plus 1, that is 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So can you check, is it your minuend? Is your larger number same? Just check it out. Yes, 90358. Yes, 90358. It means my answer is correct. It means my answer is correct. So this is the method to verify your answer, or you can say to check your answer. Yes. So is it clear? Is it clear how to verify your answer? So let me explain once again. This is your minuend, this is your subtrahend, and this is your difference. Means the answer is always your difference. And how to check or verify my answer. So this is for verifying, verify or check your answer. This is to verify or check your answer. This is to verify or check your answers. Like this is, the number is there. So I have taken my difference here, this is come here, and this is your subtrahend. I have to add on. Add on means I have added it. So when you add, please remember, for checking you need to add. You need to add your difference with your subtrahend. If it is coming the top value, it means my answer is correct. This is the method to verify your answer or check your answer. So I think the concept of addition and subtraction is clear. Okay, now let's start on with our exercise. Okay, dear children, let's move on with our exercise 2.1. Okay, let's see what is there in exercise 2.1. Okay, I am having some numbers that I am going to note it down. Ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Yes. So with that the values are 2, 9, 9, 8, 9. Yes. 5, 5, 7, 7, 0. Children, here we are doing the addition. What are we doing? Addition. Okay, this is your exercise question. This is your exercise question. So please, you have to open your arithmetic notebook. You need to write down the date and you will be writing your chapter that 2, addition and subtraction. Then you will be putting as exercise 2.1. Then you will be starting your exercise. So here I am doing the exercise sum, children, for your, you can refer this, and then after that when you will be solving it one by one. But this one sums I will be explaining you first. So okay, 9 plus 0, yes, 9. Okay, now 8 plus 7. What is 8 plus 7? 8 I am going to keep in my mind, then add on the 7. Yes, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Is it 15? Yes, it is 15. 5. Where the carryover will go? Here. Now, see, it will be, see, there are some tricks to add on also. See, if there is that is applicable, you can do this. See, it is more easier to do 9 plus 1, 10, then 10 plus 7 is 70. Rather than adding it 9 plus 7, then adding 1. So, trick is add 9 plus 1, that will give you 10 directly, then 10 plus 7, you know it is 17. Now, carry over 1. Now 9 plus 1 again 10, 10 plus 5 15, then 1 carry over, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 8. So see, can you see here the answer is coming? So let me check whether the answer is correct and you can also check. 9 plus 0 9, 8 plus 7, that is 8 you are keeping in your mind, plus 7 is 15, 5 I have already written, can you see? Yes, 5, carry over 1. So as this was a trick, 9 plus 1, 10, then you are adding it on 7, that is 17. Okay, 1 here. So see, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 5. Carry over 1, then 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. Is it visible? See, a little, yes, 8, 5, 7, 5, 9. This is my answer. I suppose this is clear to you all. Okay, so now let's move further with a different number, that is your B question, which is of exercise 2.1. Okay, let's come on. Let's write it down. See, 109. Let me see what is there. B1. Let me take the help of the book. So I'll be writing it down. 10,000. 1000, 100, tens, ones. Okay, 8 here, 0 here, 9 here, 0 again, 1 again, 9, 7, 9, 8. Okay, this is your second one. Hope this is clear. Okay, let's come on with the B question. So, can you say 8 plus 8 is given? Yes, 8 plus 8 is 16. 8 plus 8 is 16. So, 8 in mind, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, 6, carry over 1. 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. Yes, again 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. Yes, 7. Carry over 1. So, again 9 has come. This is your 0. So, 0 means nothing I have to add. So 9 plus 1 is 10. Again a carry over. Then 1 plus 1, what is there children? 2. 2. So see. So can you see the number what I have written? Is it visible? Okay. So now let's once again quickly add on so that it will be a recheck also whether my answer is correct or not. See, 8 plus 8 is 16. I have written 6 there. Carry over 1. Is it clear? Carry over 1. 9 plus 1 is what? 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. 0 here. 1 again a carry over. 9 plus 1, as I have told you, it's an easy way trick that I am applying rather than going with 9 plus 7. Easy to add on 9 plus 1 or 9 plus 7 because 9 plus 1 is 10. See, always in tens, hundreds, thousand, the addition is more easier. So you might have understood this also while you are doing. See, in calculation we are going to buy a pen or a pencil. When it's a tens or hundreds value is coming, it becomes more easy for you to note down, isn't it? So similarly here you can see sometimes it may come, sometimes it may not come, but here it is there. So we should follow that. Rather than going for a harder one, you should apply the simple tricks what can be applicable here. Like here 9 plus 1, it's possible. So 10 I am getting, so it's a tens one, so it's easy for me. So it will be 7, then it is becoming 17, then a carry over here, 9 plus 1, 10. So it has come 0 here, again a carry over 1 plus 1, 2. So children, can you see the number coming up? 2, 0, 7, 0, 6. So the answer is 20,706. So children, this was the first sums and this was the second sum, and I have already explained you that how you need to write. So once again, please listen carefully that how we need to write it down. As chapter 2 is there, addition and subtraction is there, and your exercise 2.1 is there. This you have to remember that I need to write out chapter number, topic name and the next exercise. Then the question is, first one is add and then A is this one. So in addition and subtraction, please remember you have to divide your page. How? In the center you draw a line and this way you divide. So one sums here and one that side. So both the side. Is it clear? See, I have explained that this is my plain board, but it will be your arithmetic notebook. So accordingly this place value has to be there. The digits has to be in a proper gap so that the place value is clear for you, and the numbers that it is given, sometimes 4 digit, 5 digits are there. See children, in your book you have ample of questions are there for your practice. So A, B I have done it, C will be your homework, and D, E and F I will be doing further on. Let me move on with like this you will be doing and will be forwarding you these exercise all. So don't worry for that, as we have already done A and B, and C will be your homework, and D, E and F also we will be doing it. But at present, before subtraction and all, as I have already explained how to do the subtraction, how to check the answer, let's move on with a question that is there in fill in the blanks, question number 3. What am I going to do is, so that I am explaining you, later on I will be sending you the exercise also. Okay, so don't worry for that. So this is for the explanation, so your concept is very clear how to do it. Okay, so let's move on with fill in the blanks. 1,500 more than 7,500. Children, what is more than? Anybody? Yes, more than is what? More than is, more means increasing. You are taking it more and more and more. I am having my food again something. So more is always plus. More is always plus. And less is, more is plus, less is subtraction. Plus means addition and less is minus. So sometimes I am just taking an example. 20 more than 30. 20 more than 30. 20 more than 30. What is this, children? So first I will write 20, then I will write 30. What is 20 more than 30? It means more means add. Remember, more means add. 2 plus 3. See, it can be easy as 0 is there. So, these type of numbers are very easy to add. So, 20 plus 30, 2 plus 3 only I have to add 5 and the 0 is here. So, what is this? 50. So, my answer is 50. So, more is easy? Yes. Now, less, let me do it less. 30 less than 30 less than 70. Okay, what will be 30 less than 70? Less means subtraction, yes. So, let me see 70 minus 30. So, what is the answer? 0 here, 7 minus 3 is 4. So, how much is 70 less than 30? It is 40. Is it clear, children? Plus and minus, that is more and less. Similarly, you will be having your word problem also based on addition and subtraction. So, what you have to remember? Less means left, that is also subtraction. Add means more, all together. These all are concept which is being used in addition and subtraction. So, I think this whole concept is clear for you, and this is very much like how we are going to add, how we are going to subtract, and how we are going to apply this concept in the word problems. Am I clear? This topic is very much clear, I suppose. So, addition and subtraction, will be doing the word problem also with this, and with that you will be doing it very nicely, that in your arithmetic notebook, that will be sending you the exercise also. But here I have explained that when is addition applicable. Like I am telling you, I am having 10 things and I want more 3 things. I am asking you how much it is altogether. That is 10 plus 3 is 13, and I am telling you I was having 10 toffees and 3 my friend has taken. How much is left out with me? Left means how much is, that is subtraction. So, 10 minus 3 is 7. So, this concept is going to be there in your word problem. So, this all thing is being covered in addition and subtraction, and it is going to be very helpful in your subtraction part as well as your addition part. So, see, in the fill in the blanks type questions are given, the explanation which I have done for you, that is in the form of fill in the blanks, that is this 20 more than, less than, that will do it in the book, and some questions I will be adding on which I will be sending to you with the exercise. So, that you have to write down in your arithmetic notebook. After that, what is going to come? We are with our word problems. Word problem is like, what you have to do is, you don't have to write the full question, children. What you will do is, you will be writing the question number. Then with that question number, what you will do is, question number, then solution. You will be writing it down. Then the solution, and then the statements and the addition or subtraction, whatever. This is just an explanation which will be based for your word problem. It will be really helpful, children, because see, once you will be learning step by step, then only it is going to be easy. Otherwise, it is going to be very difficult for you. So, please remember, the statements in the word problems are very, very important. Without statement, the word problem is going to be very difficult for you, and you won't be understanding that how we have to write it down. You only thing is, you need to read the question properly in the word problem, that is what is asked, what is given and what is being asked. Is it all together? It is together. How much is in total? That all comes for addition, and left out, less than, all this is going to be for subtraction. So, these are the 2 key points which you need to remember. Okay, dear children. So, I think you are clear with this particular topic. Now, we will be doing this exercise fully, and I will be sending you whole exercise with the, like in your group, we will be sending it out. Okay. So, okay, thank you, children.